Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pause location on Life 360 without anyone knowing. So as you can see, like, this is the application Life 360, and if you try to turn off the location, so you won't be able to do it from within the application. And as you can see, like, they are giving me some options. So this is basically my location and my interface of the application. And if you want to turn off the location, what you can do is, just some people try to turn off the location of their mobile phone. So in this way you can just get lost, like get away from all the location options in your maps as well. So if you want to turn off the location without anyone knowing from this application called Life 360, what you can do is just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and once you're into the settings, just scroll down. And as you can see, like, this is the privacy and security option, and from here you can just click on location services. And if you're on Android, so you can just open the settings and search location and option, like, open this section called location services. And from here, as you can see, like, this application called Life 360 is using my location, so just click on the application. And once you click here, you can see, like, allow location access never, next time, always. So you can just click on never. And if not, what you can do is just click on precise location. You can just also turn it off, or you can just set it to never. And once you set it to never, so as you can see, like, you have turned off location services. So nobody will be able to know, like, you have turned off the location in Life 360. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can pause location on Life 360 without anyone knowing.